Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Today, in this video, we will concentrate on 4 words, that is test, thousand, unit, check. So let's begin with the first word, test. T-E-S-T, test. English test, driving test, pass the test drive, blood test, test tube baby. Students are given tests at the end of every semester. The test, tests, here it is the test, T-E-S-T, tests, T-E-S-T-S. The test tests students on their language, maths and science levels. Vimy went for a blood test. Nia got her eyes tested. I passed the driving test. Pinky, what grade did you get in the test? The second word is thousand. T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D, thousand. 1,000, 2,000. Out of the 500,000 words in the English vocabulary, let's focus on these 500 and get going. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. So here, your English journey has started with these 500 words. Thousands of people lost their jobs during the pandemic. What's the cost of this watch? This watch cost 10,000 rupees. Hari has at least 1,000 books in his library. The third word is unit. 1 unit, per unit, unit 1, unit test, unit price. Unit 1 of the book is the first unit of the book. A unit test is given at the end of each unit. Family is the basic unit of a society. That means it is the smallest unit of a society, but family is the most important unit of a society. A centimeter is a unit of length. The sales unit has been doing an excellent job this year. The chief monetary unit of India is the rupee. That is, the Indian currency is the rupee. The fourth word is check. C-H-E-C-K, check. Check in, check out, check again, double check, spell check, security check. We have to go through a security check in the airport. Check out this YouTube video. It's so funny. Rohan, after you have checked the check boxes, double check your answers. Okay, Papa. Airplanes need a complete check before flying. Let's check the map. Thanks for checking. Check your dictionary. I had my ears checked. The teacher checked the answer papers. So with this, we have completed another set of 20 words in our Focus 5 series. So let's take a quick revision of those 20 words. It's O-H-O, object, power, plan, pound, produce, possible, plain, perhaps, quick, rest, record, ran, town, teach, tail, test, thousand, unit, check. So with this we have completed 80 words in our Focus 5 series and 480 words in total. So imagine the vocabulary that you have developed if you are continuing with my series of Focus. So all the best and keep watching, keep learning, keep practicing, keep repeating, and if possible, record the sentences that you are reading and check out. So that's all in this video. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you.